Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over how to create a hybrid backup job from the Nova Backup management server. So in this case, I am already logged into the management server. I have a computer and agent set up. I have a couple devices already set up and going. In this case, I have a cloud storage set up, and then I have a NAS device set up in here. I'll just briefly look at the NAS. It has a name, where it's going for the storage, all of this stuff. In fact, I have encryption off in this case, but you can certainly turn encryption on. But what we do need in order to do a hybrid-based backup is you need a local device being, USB, NAS device, local hard drive, RDX, what have you, and then you also have to have a cloud storage account set up for a device. So once those two prerequisites are set up, then you can go into Jobs, click on Add Job. In this case, we'll do a file-based backup. I will name the job Nate Silver HP Hybrid. And in this case, I'm just going to select, Multi, just this entire C drive for fun. And then where I wanted to go for the initial backup, I want to go to that NAS. So I'll click that NAS. After that NAS is set up, then I'm going to go into the settings. And once in the settings, you'll see this archive tab right here. This archive tab is how to enable the hybrid backup. So I enable the hybrid backup. It's only going to show you cloud storage devices that are on this machine in order to do that hybrid. So I choose that cloud storage device. I click the maximum cloud backup age. So this is how long versions of files are held in the cloud. In this case, I'm going to set it to 60 days. And then I'm also going to check just the local retention. The local retention is going to be set for 30 days by default. So if I just do those two things, I click OK. And then I'm going to schedule it, and I'll schedule that just daily. And I'll set it for 10 p.m. And I'll just run it Monday through Friday. And I'll click Save. It's going to be pushed to that agent. And so what's going to happen is it's going to do the local backup to that NAS first, and then immediately after that local backup is done, it's going to mount that backup and then send any new or changed files that the cloud doesn't have to the cloud immediately after that backup job, and it's going to all be considered into that one backup job, so you don't have to create multiple backup jobs, multiple different retentions for different jobs, and you have one job to look at for that log to see if things have been going good. That's all there is to creating a hybrid backup job from the management server.